This year's G20 TechSprint competition calls for solutions to address trust and integrity in finance. Developers globally are invited to come up with solutions for verifiable digital identity, consumer-consented credit data portability, and fraud and cyber risk mitigation.
We are looking for solutions that will bring more people into the digital economy and enable cross-border trade, especially within the African Continental Free Trade Area framework. The digital identity will enable easier know your customer identification and verification processes, allowing consumers to open accounts, apply for loans, or access government grants without time-consuming paperwork. A secure and verified digital identity for consumers will also decrease the risks of fraud and make the financial system safer and more resilient.
The Reserve Bank says it hopes solutions will help improve access to financial services through the digital space.
South African and African fintechs are really good at solving for real-world problems, right? And so we know that to enable people to access financial services, they need an identity. So often there's problems around physical documentation, and so this really looks to see how can we enable people through a digital identity solution so that they can then gain access to financial services.
The Bank for International Settlements says the G20 TechSprint is a collaborative effort to develop adaptable and inclusive solutions that reinforce trust and integrity across borders.
Three sets of challenges stand out in particular. The first are the complexities of domestic and cross-border data sharing and know your customer mechanisms. The second are the barriers that small and medium enterprises face in accessing finance, especially in emerging markets. The third are the roles of fraud and cyber risks in deterring widespread adoption and trust in fast payment systems.
The winner of the G20 TechSprint will be announced in November when South Africa hosts the G20 Leaders Summit. Gloria Sefakomusi, SABC News, Johannesburg.